Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Tech AI. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to sign up to PhotoDirector. Now let us begin. Well, do note that I have already installed the application in my mobile device. In case you don't know how to, worry not, we have created a tutorial regarding that as well. Now let us simply look at how to sign up. At the top left, right next to PhotoDirector, you will see a button like this. Click on it right now. From here, you are gonna be provided with these options. As you can see, here's General Settings, Personal and Help Center. What we need to do is simply focus on Personal right here, and just below it, there is something called as User Sign In. Click on it right now as we do want to sign up. Simply give your confirmation. And guys, this is it. Do note that you can simply sign in right from here. But right now, simply click on this Create an Account button and let us just follow the prompts. Now from here, what you need to do is simply enter your email address along with your password. Once you've entered it, simply hit on sign up. I'm gonna enter both of them right now. Well, as you can see, I have entered both my credentials. Now let's simply hit on sign up. Now guys, this is it. As you can see, an activation email has been sent. Let's go to Gmail right now. Well, as you can see, I have received an email like this. Now let's simply activate my account. I'm gonna click on this button here. And guys, that's it. As you can see, my Cyberlink account has been activated. Well guys, this is it. This is how you sign up to PhotoDirector. It's quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.